Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make very easy hoop earrings. To make these easy hoop earrings, first open a paper clip and straighten it out like that. Form a loop on one end. Like that. So I have my little loop formed at the end, and now I'm going to thread some beads on. I'm going to do them in this sequence. Like that. You can use any sequence you like, and you could make them as long as your paper clip if you want large hoops. I'm going to cut mine off here, and I'm going to form a loop. Like that. So I have a loop on each end. Now I'm just going to take a marker, and I'm going to shape it in a curve. And I'm going to bring these two together, and I'm going to twist these so that they're flat toward each other like that. Like that. So I have my hoop ready, and you can just join it like this and have a hoop, or you can add a dangle in the center. And I did that by simply forming a loop, place on a bead, form another loop. And I have an ear wire and some jump rings. You can use purchased jump rings, but if you want to learn how to make your own jump rings, I put a link below. I also put a link below on how to make your own ear wires. To assemble your hoop, take a jump ring, place one loop on, place your dangle on, and place the other loop, and close up that jump ring. Like that. Now you can place this on your ear wire, and close it up. And there you go. That's how easy it is to make some beaded hoop earrings with a paper clip. And I have two more here that I've started. I have some glass beads, pearls, and glass beads. Shape them into a hoop. Twist the two loops so that they're facing together, like that. Place them on a jump ring. Add an ear wire. And close the jump ring. So there's your second hoop. The silver one, form it into a hoop. And to assemble, place a jump ring through both loops. Add the ear wire. And close the jump ring. And there you have three very easy hoop earrings that you can make with a paper clip.